All right, let's get rolling again. Leave Nezah behind us. So I've got a couple of things coming up right here, including a road crossing. Again, you can see here the grade is very, very well traveled. So here we have a junction box for the fiber optic cable. So there's a very important fiber optic cable that runs alongside the grade. And so there you can see the mileage, 55.93. Again, that's the mileage on the Kinghorn. So on the original lines, that would be 6.23. So right up here we have a road crossing. Just keeping my eyes peeled for a flanger sign, maybe even the base of it. There it is. So again, not sure why they were all cut off. Trace of the sign. So here's road crossing. I don't know if this road has a name to it. And then on the other side you can see that there is a milepost marker. So again, don't understand why the flanger signs were cut off and they left the milepost markers. Okay, let's get going again here. Let's just look and see if there's the bottom part of the flanger sign. Since that one on the other side you saw the little nub. Let's see if we see the little nub on this side. Doesn't appear so. Okay, and so here we have yet another telegraph pole. So this one you can see again, there's a little bit of green on here. So you can see a few Dominion 42s that are okay. And then you can see a bunch of busted ones. Can't tell what that is. Completely busted off the green. They look like maybe Brookfields. Okay, so let's get going here. We're at just past milepost 56. And so that means we got a mile and a bit to go. So again, this is an area here where you can see that they've cut, left all the poplars and cut down anything they use to make pulp or make logs out of. You can see all the new jack pines that are growing up. So again, here you can start seeing some ties that were left behind. Again, here looks like they dug ballast. Telegraph, there's a pole in there, there's a power line pole. I can see the insulator, the ceramic insulator glinting. So there's a lake that's just in here, and that is Nezah Lake. So the river widens out, the Blackwater River widens out, and it basically forms a lake. So here you can see yet another tie. Again, lots of remnants of ties that are still left. Likely they had trouble sort of pulling them out. Again, you can see the lake just through the trees over there. You can see on this side, this whole cut area here, all these new jack pines growing up, maybe 4.5, 5 feet tall, most of them. Again, here you can see bits of ties. And here again, looks like they've dug ballast. So here, there is a culvert. It's weird because there's no water in it. You can see there's some ties right here. So this culvert obviously is milepost 56 point something, but I can't read the mileage. All right, let's keep going. Again, Nezah Lake to our south. We got one interesting thing coming up, and there's a telegraph pole just over here. Grade's nice and easy to ride here. Easy for Luna to walk on. She's getting tired. Thankfully, there's that nice breeze. So this would have, the original grade would have looked like with the ballast on it. It would look like this, all just like kind of pit run gravel before they put all the crushed stone on there that I love biking through. So again, all through here it looks like they dug ballast, and you can see it's all full of water here in the spring. Maybe on the other side too. So we have some little pockets of snow left. Here you can see you got more ties. is still with us here. So we got a couple of things here. So first of all, there's a telegraph pole right down there. Not much left of it. And then over here, this is perfect because we need to do a battery swap. So here's another piece of tie. And you see some snow. And again, looks like they pulled ballast out of here. You can see it's all kind of, you can see there's a swale there. All right, so again, very perfect. We have to stop anyway because we have to do a battery change. And so what we have as we go through this area where it's just full of poplars is we have a really neat and unusual thing to see. We're going to go down and take a look at it. I can't. This is the one where you can make out a 56, but I can't. I want to say it says 56.9. I'll flash the mileage up on there. So what we have is we have something very, very rare. You can see it doesn't appear to be a culvert, but you can actually see kind of water coming in. We have a wooden box culvert, and this one's actually in pretty good shape. And because it's all wet down there because of the snow melt, what we're going to do is we're going to reuse that footage from 2021, and we're going to go down there and go have a look at that and see how interesting and neat it is. So we've made our way down on the south side of the grade, and so what we have here is a very, very well preserved wooden box culvert. I don't think I've ever seen one in this good shape. Actually, I don't think I've ever seen a wooden box culvert. Usually they've all been replaced. You can see that it's in pretty rough shape, but for the most part it seems like it's holding up. I can't get low enough to see if we can see across to the other side. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump the grade and go take a look at what's going on the north side. Okay, so we've made our way down on the north side, and so you can see the northern opening of this this wooden culvert. It's in okay shape. You can see there's quite a bit of deterioration that's going on. I had to kind of pull back the bushes and stuff that were kind of growing in front of it so you can get a good view of it. I have a feeling that maybe it was left because it doesn't, you can see it's dry here. And so I have a feeling that there wasn't a lot of water kind of flowing through here. And if there was, they probably would have replaced it with a metal culvert. Okay, so what we're going to do is hop back up on the grade and just continue pushing our way west